This one is my bed. Yung kanilang surf and surf.
Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yeah, so for today's vlog, meron tayong na-discover na bagong restaurant dito sa may Clarkfield, Pampanga.
Yun guys, and I've heard they are serving modern Kapampangan fusion dishes and mga other international dishes. And of course, nakita namin kanina guys, ang ganda ng ambiance nila.
Yeah, so today's video, papakita namin yung lugar, yung mga food, and mga other mga sinaserve nila.
So if you're interested to know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
This is our table, so we're just waiting for just a few more dishes. Kaagutom actually.
To give you an idea, si Arbees Bar Resto is a Kapampangan modern fusion restaurant. So kung makikita nyo, mostly mga pagkain dito ay Kapampangan, but with a twist.
Welcome to Arbees Bar Resto. First off, siguro pag-usapan natin, as soon as you entered, how did you feel?
Sa labas, very simple siya. Simple lang siya. Pero nung pumasok ako, napawawa ko. Kasi napakaganda rin ng interior, napakaganda ng mga lights, ng mga... Even yung mga, very comfortable yung mga seats. Furnitures, yung mga seats.
Even though, mukha siyang intimidating yung lugar. Pero nakita naman natin, the menu is affordable naman pa. Mag-e-enjoy ka dito, even though yung saktong-sakto yung budget.
Yung serving nila dito is malalaki.
Yes.
So I think it's a mix of accent. Also, sabi mo, it's cozy.
Yes.
Napakagandang, ganda yung tambayan.
Yes, actually. Or even a date place.
Oh yeah. Family bonding, date.
Yes.
Earlier, natikman natin yung kanilang pagkain. And we were so grateful kasi sobra, full table.
Yes.
Ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo? Or unang-una, pag-serve nila, ano yung napawaw kayo?
Ako syempre, eye-catching sa akin yung surf and turf. Yan. Kasi talaga mistake person. Alam ko kukunin to ni Mark, pero sasabihin ko na grilled bulaklak
Actually,
skewer.
yes. Actually, yun yung sasabihin ko. The grilled bulaklak skewer, talagang amoy pa lang.
Yes,
talagang napapa...
Tamarind sauce.
Ang galing naman, no? So, siyempre tayo, magkakaibang personality natin. Ako naman, pagka lapag naman nila yung kanilang salmon, napawaw na ako. Yung mga breakfast meals, I appreciated it kasi it's a mix of, meron siyang meat, main meat, and then meron siyang sides and vegetables, meron din siyang accent for yung mga taste, and meron din siyang rice.
Gusto ko rin yung yung adobo. Intalangka, yes. So, something new.
Pork adobo,
Parang first time natin makakatikim na rin.
Actually, and then take note, yung the way they cook it, yung pork natin, is yung traditional Kapampangan way.
It's arobo.
Maputing arobo siya.
Puting adobo, which is arobo. Itong pork adobo, kita lang kaya, mapapakanin talaga.
Mapapakanin ka talaga.
Ang sarap ng combination nila.
So when you eat it, ang unang matitikman mo talaga is yung strong taste ng tama ng
Yes, tama. Aligid.
Aligid. And then right after it, so habang ninunguya mo siya, it becomes tender, it becomes, lumilitaw na yung pagka-adobo.
Adobo, no?
Yes.
Tama.
Ako naman, maliban doon sa mga mains natin, yung salad nila, which is yung brick.
So sabi nga doon habang kumakain tayo, do not remove this on your list.
At the same time naman, yung mga old school feeling ko, yun naman pako and pakwa na magugusto.
Yes.
Something unordinary.
Yes.
So, guys, when you order this, make sure na you toss it thoroughly kasi kala nila wala siyang dressing.
Pero nasa baba.
Oo. Isa pa later yung kanilang pako with
Pakwan.
Pakwan.
Old pakwan. Doon sa breads naman nila yung fungi, mushroom,
Oh, yeah.
Folati.
Go. Oh yeah.
I'll take the grilled chicken sandwich nila. Pero malaki-laki to. Ganit na
Yun, ha? Actually, yung pinangdamulag, I think, again, it's infused and modernized. Hindi siya yung parang naaalala ko na sobrang asim.
Parang masarap siyang breakfast yun, Mark. Para sa akin kahit na kung ayaw mo mag-rice, parang order ko yun.
Yes, actually. Hindi na ako na. Steak na ako na. I'll go for the steak.
Uh-huh.
Mark and
Okay, so this one is their serpent turf.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay.
pwede ko ba sabihin si Mark?
Also pala, let's highlight their mga juices nila.
Yes,
So this one is their homemade iced tea.
Yeah?
So they actually prepare everything here. Di siya parang instant lang.
Dalawa na akin yung kanilang watermelon cucumber.
This one is strawberry pineapple. At ito yung una mong gusto kainin.
Gusto kainin,
Oo.
just like that. So I think all in all, yung mga sinerve nila sa atin, it shows that they are versatile. They have international food, they also have local food that are infused or parang modernized.
Yes.
Mga talagang hinahanap natin sa bahay, pero they serve it in a different way.
They also have Kapampangan dishes, pero in a
In a
twist.
twist, di ba? Every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I think they have bands here.
Yes.
So they also have a bar in which you can enjoy yung mga cocktails. So aside from the heavy meals that they served us, may mga reason din kayo to chill here.
Yes, so kung kayo naman gusto pumunta dito sa may Arbees Bar Resto, so located lang ito dito sa may CDC Parade Ground, beside Tom and Tom, and they're open from 10 a.m. up to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yes, so guys, another place for you to check out, another dishes for you to discover. Ito po ang Arbees Bar and Resto. If you are interested to know more, we're gonna be including all the details. And if nagutom po namin kayo sa mga photos, sa mga videos, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, we hope to see you here
Yes,
and on the next video.
Very soon. Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Stay